How to create folder for iPhone photos. Let's get started. Launch your Photos app. Now navigate to the picture that you want to add to a folder. Click on select option given at the top right. Check in for the pictures. Once you have selected, click on three dots given over here. Different options will appear. Click on the option add to album. Now here you're going to find existing folders. Click on this plus option. Now give a name to your folder. Click on create. Just with that, you have created a new folder. Now scrolling down, you're gonna find the folder over here under album section. Clicking on that, you're gonna find photos under that folder. So this way you can easily create folder for iPhone photos. By following same steps, you are able to create other folders as well. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.